Between 240 and 360 hours per year could be saved by automating business processes, according to a report cited by the US Chamber of Commerce. If so many benefits exist to automate business processes, why are so many companies still doing business manually? According to the same report, 52% of employees and 47% of business leaders are concerned about the lack of personal touch due to business process automation, and almost half of boss are still concerned about the risk of potential job loss. To ensure that fear of the risk of automation doesn't prevent you from achieving an 18% increase in productivity and a 23% increase in profitability, we offer you the perfect plan from Integrity Vision to master your business automation. Identify areas where automation can improve business processes. A process that requires automation may have one or more of the following characteristics: urgency, repeatability, accumulation is faster than implementation. Visualize clear results from automation. When analyzing a process to be automated, ask yourself the following questions: which actions are consistent and which are not? Where can you free up time for more important tasks? What do you expect in terms of cost, customer satisfaction, efficiency, productivity, speed, and other benefits? Break down the process into details. Analyze what steps the process consists of to achieve the desired result. Understanding the process will help technical experts to automate it. Explore the technical possibilities of automation. Once you understand the process and its components, invite your technical team. Depending on your time and budget constraints, some activities can be automated while others can be extended. Ensure that your technical team has a clear list of requirements at the end of the discussion. We hope this video will help you overcome your fear and take the first step towards automating your business processes. And if you are still afraid of making mistakes, watch our previous video, Business Automation Fails. Remember, if you need help creating an automation plan for your business processes, our experts are here to help. Contact link in the channel header.